Today I'm going to show you how to take a single headshot and turn it into a cinematic New Year's celebration photo at Statue of Liberty Island. Fireworks, friends, movement, and all. This is one of my favorite prompts because it looks spontaneous, joyful, and incredibly realistic. For this to work, your headshot needs to be clean and natural. You want face clearly visible, neutral lighting, no heavy filters, no sunglasses or hats, a relaxed expression. This headshot will be used as a strict face reference, so clarity is everything. After arranging the headshot, go to Google Gemini and choose the Nano Banana option. Then upload the headshot. Following this, enter this prompt. This a long prompt, but it will give you amazing results. Using the uploaded headshot as a strict face reference, create a realistic 4K New Year's Eve photograph of me celebrating with a group of friends at the Statue of Liberty Island. Keep my facial features, skin tone, and likeness exactly consistent with the uploaded photo. I am standing slightly in front of my friends, holding onto their waists as we walk forward together, while I turn my upper body back toward the camera and smile naturally at the photographer. The scene takes place at the night with the Statue of Liberty visible in the foreground, softly illuminated. Large, colorful New Year's fireworks are exploding in the sky, casting vibrant reflections and dynamic light across our faces. My friends and I are dressed in stylish winter outfits appropriate for a New Year's celebration. Use natural body proportions, realistic motion, and cinematic lighting. Include subtle motion blur in the background for energy, sharp focus on my face, and realistic skin texture. The overall mood should feel joyful, celebratory, and spontaneous, like a candid professional New Year's photograph taken at midnight. Click Generate. While we wait for results, I want to let you know that I am giving away for free 10 copy and paste Nano Banana commands designed specifically for your New Year photos. Click the link in the description. Inside this free guide, you will get prompts to create Midnight Street Food Celebration, New Year Sunrise After Party, Masquerade New Year Ball, Multicultural Community Celebration, New Year Volunteer Celebration, Snowy Cabin Countdown, Silent Disco New Year Party, Train Platform New Year Moment, Backyard Bonfire Celebration, and New Year Creative Jam Session, all of which you can post on your social media profile. Just look at this result. We took a simple studio headshot and the AI completely reimagined it into a cinematic memory. It's not just pasting a face, it's a full transformation. I'm walking with friends at Liberty Island. The lighting from the fireworks is actually reflecting off my skin, and the expression is perfectly candid. It captured that exact midnight on New Year's energy while keeping my likeness 100% accurate. If this doesn't make you want to try generating your own holiday photos, I don't know what will. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI photo ideas. Before you go, please make sure to download the 10 copy and paste Nano Banana commands designed specifically for your New Year photo collection. Click the link in the description.